Hi, Sally Hancock here with another paperclip art tutorial. This month is for June and the theme for the group was Pamper Yourself. So I thought of taking a bubble bath and reading a book and having candlelight. That sounded pretty pampery to me, so I thought that turned out pretty cute. So I'm going to show you how I made that. Okay, first I have this piece of paper that I thought looked like vintage wallpaper, so I thought that would be cute. It is 6 inches by 2 3/4 inches, and I'm using these 3-inch paper clips. So first thing I'm going to do is score this in half at 3 inches. And I never know if you're supposed to score on the right side or the wrong side, so I'm just going to score on both. Then it will fold nicely whichever way I go. Okay, then I'm just going to take the long side of the paper clip and put it on this way. I want it to come in from the right side of the paper. Actually, first I'm going to fold this. Good crease, and slide that underneath that middle part of the paper clip. Oops. Ugh. There we go. Okay, then first I'm going to round these corners. This down. I'm using my Loctite Crafter's glue to glue the paper clip on, since it's metal and I'm sure it's going to stick good. And then just use my Tombow glue for the rest of it. And that's lined up good. And just press that down. Oh, looks like it got a little bit off on the back. So we'll just trim that up. Oops. Oops. Okay. Now, set that aside for a minute. Now I found this cute image on the Cricut Access, so let's put that together. I think I'll zoom in for you. Oops, wrong way. Okay, there we go. All right, so it came in several pieces. So here is the main part, and then it has these nice cut lines that help you line it up good. So I'm just going to put glue on this part. I think the girl is supposed to be pregnant or something, because there's like a belly sticking out, but I just covered that belly up with the book, or I guess I could have trimmed it flush or something. Okay, and then I'm going to put this top part of the tub on. It has an alignment cut right here to show you where to place that. Okay, then I put on her hair. There's a funny looking piece here. Oops. Okay. Oh shoot. I put the glue on the wrong side. Darn it. Okay, I'm gonna wipe the glue off and be right back. Okie doke. Try this again. Good thing I'm using a glue that dries clear. Okay, line that up with those alignment cuts there. And it cut out teeny tiny little eyes that were closed, but I did not want to try to glue those on, so I just used a pen, and they cut, again, alignment guides. So I just drew them on. Oops. And then a little smile. Okay, and now we have the feet to the tub. Okay, now I did cut out an itsy bitsy little teeny hair tie. So I think I'll just dab some glue right there. See if I can pick this teeny thing up and get it on in the right spot. Well, looky there. That worked pretty good. There we go. All right, so that is all put together. So now let's glue her on. Now when I cut this out, I made it 3 inches wide because that's how wide the paper clips were, but then I had to cut my paper down to fit it, so she's going to hang off the edge, but I think it looks kind of cute. So we won't bother putting glue at the tip of her feet. Okay. Kind of center her on there. Okay, so now add her book. Kind of cut out an outline that kind of got a little wonky looking, but I think I can make it work. There, that covers up that little belly sticking out. All right, now we just need to add the candles. Oh shoot, I moved her little hair tie. Oh darn it. Oh gosh. I wonder why that's not sticking very good. There. Okay, so now I have my little candles. I couldn't find very many solid candles patterns that didn't look like birthday candles, but they had these neat ones that you could draw, and so I You probably can't tell, but I used my Cricut glitter gel pen. So they're a tiny bit sparkly. And I do have this one that has a little base to go on. So I think we'll put this one down first. I kind of feel like that needs a word like relax or unwind. Let's see. I've got some Tim Holtz tiny word stickers. Let's see. Let's use the, which ones do we have? We have gold with black. Oh, I think the gold with white would look best. Okay, we've got, or two of the same. I'll choose Good Life. Let's see. Not used to using tiny word stickers. I don't like that right there. Maybe I don't like it. I don't know. I need something to anchor it, I guess. I'll look for a gem. Ooh, or I could use my Nouveau drops. Let's try this Happy Life. Okay, so I think I will find my Nouveau drops. Oh. And I could maybe add some on that look like bubbles too. That would be cute. I think. We will see. Do a practice one over here, I think. Maybe right here. Okay, I think that'll work. Maybe we can put some on the tub. So they look like bubbles. One more there. Oh, that looks cute. I like that a lot. Very cute. Okay, so big one. And the word sticker. And then some little ones to look like bubbles. There we go. Okay, I think those are done. So that does it. And I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. So that does it for the June paperclip art. I'll leave a link to the Facebook group below. And thanks for watching.